So today I'd like to talk a little bit about gasoline prices and what I was paying when I just was on a road trip from Washington, D.C. to Ames, Iowa to leave off some artworks with the university there. So let's look at the various different kinds of gas prices. These are the receipts that were for the travel from Washington to Ames. And we have 4 different receipts here, and I want to compare them, and I want this would be something good for you to do, to think about what it is in terms of maintaining a car. So the first one is that it says Come & Go, which is the name of the firm, and it says that the gallons were 15.726. So notice there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal, which is intriguing. And the price per gallon is $2.159. So that's the price per gallon. So it's $2.159, just under 16 cents. So just under $2.16. The total fuel, because that says it's 33.95. Now, I'd like you to be able to figure out how the total fuel and the total sale then has come out. Now, in this case, the total fuel and total sale on all of these are the same because we didn't buy any other things. It was just for fuel. So the total fuel should be the price per gallon times the number of gallons. And I'd like you all to verify that that's the case. That'd be a really good thing for you to figure out. It should be multiplication pretty easily. All right, but there the price per gallon was $2.159, just under $2.16. We got 15.726. That's one of the rare places you get 3 decimals to the right, 3 digits to the right of the decimal. Now, in the next one, which is at A+, we actually bought 15.536 gallons, and the price per gallon is 2 point something. You can't tell whether that's a 0 or an 859, but the fuel sale is 31.99. So one of the things you could figure out is whether that's 2.059 or 2.859 price per gallon, okay? And there again, so it's 15.536 gallons and 31.99. So it's a little fewer gallons than the one at Come & Go, and the price is a little bit lower. So you can probably figure out what that price per gallon is in a variety of ways. Okay. Now the third one, Quick Trip, price is $2.479, and that was in Des Moines, obviously right when we were about ready to turn the car in to 23rd. So we only bought 7.652 gallons, and the total sale is $18.97. You can verify that these things are correct. And then on the last one is it's at Shell in Anawan, Illinois. So here the price per gallon is 15.237 price per gallon, and no, the gallons we bought was 15.237. The price per gallon is 2.259 with a fuel sale of 34.42. So I'd like you to verify that the price per gallon and the gallons do come out to the correct fuel price. And then I'd like you to rate which of the places is the cheapest and which is the most expensive. So that would be the kind of activity here, and I'll write that up in the description. So this is a really good comparison of pricing. It is very intriguing that the only place where I know of where you get 3 digits to the right of the decimal on a price, or even on what you purchase quantity, is three digits. There are some gas stations that actually list the price. For example, if it were price of 2.259, like the last one, the Shell, I don't know whether they did this on the sign at the place, but I do have some signs where they would have listed it as 2.25 and either 9/10 or a little tiny 9 in the upper right. So I will have a couple photos that I will encourage you to take a look at in addition. to the description so that you can see what different kinds of gas station pricing is done, and it would be good for you to actually do that yourself, if you go wander around to see what gas pricing looks like, because they are really, really strange compared to prices for anything else. If you have any questions, you, of course, can talk to your Dr. Wesselman, or you can write to me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.